Guys, so look here, look where I'm there. Right? And look where water there.
It's a beautiful Sunday. In the name of the Father and the Son of the Holy Ghost, make this quickness God Jesus.
That movie I don't run that tomorrow. This is a boy one done and
Maybe.
with the flat stomach. Round the block we have Mama Lur.
Yes, people, we are going to beach. I don't know what take living, but we are going to beach. I don't know if I rain or fall or a disaster.
Who is that little guy? Okay, that's my son. My adopted son. I adopted him when he was 5 months. So guys, guess what now? Me there, we live about 45 minutes to an hour from Daytona Beach.
It's an hour and something.
Hour and something from Daytona Beach.
20 something.
And over the past few weeks, you know some drop a series moving back to Jamaica, but deep down, sometimes they say your enemy they're close to you. Livia try convince me that, you know, there's still hope in America. You understand? So she say, we're going to beach. We're going to do island stuff and see if we can fit in and not move back to Jamaica. But me have something to tell her, brawling in her work. But she not really asked for a lot and she said she want to go beach.
When we went to the beach 3 weeks ago and he was in the water talking about, wow, it feels so good, I feel so nice. You don't remember?
Guys, I want to comment down below if you don't believe living.
No, we have the videos, we never uploaded.
Me have something, guys, before me forgot, me have something for show now. These are called Jamaican National Rag. Believe me or not.
Then be it good.
Believe me or not, you hear Mama Laura say? Believe me or not, they are available on Amazon. Just type in Jamaica National Rag. Me buy 3 of them here on Amazon. This are just 2. Me give mommy 1. Me have 2. Then come in I pack up 3. Then me beard me the best. Me just like how I beard, you understand? So me have to share with you know. Anywhere in the US you are, if you want them rag, just type them in, you get them. One mine, no, me give you one already.
No, me I say make me hold you up sure then.
Alright, promo lady.
Yeah, you see that rag here? It beard good. Good. And you can just turn it crossway and wash your back, you know? But it look like one Dan skin rub out that one, yeah, man. How you look so thin.
That's how much my beard, guys. Me and Livy. So one for me and one for Olivia. So me have to tell her now. And mommy have female, fair one. Jamaica National Rag. On Amazon, you get it in a pack of 3. Me have to tell her that.
And then you get fear them.
Yeah. We're on our way to the beach.
So guys, we're on our way and that's it.
Right. Use the left 2 lanes to turn onto.
So we're reached. You ready, Pops? You ready? Son? Leave me with the flat stomach?
Yes, I'm ready.
It's only him.
It's not the same, but last time we come here, me and Danza, we really enjoyed
Oh,
it.
she enjoyed herself.
You was like, you really enjoy it.
Snitch.
Shut off the car.
It's a beautiful Sunday. Guys, Mama looks sexy.
I know, what's the sexy shorts, the capris.
My dog no bite me.
Aha.
We're there at the beach. You see me? I must tell you, we're not in Outurious. We're not in Outurious. We're not in Jamaica. But, some reason, Livy say, a beach vibes, you see me? Someone want to rate the beach. On a scale from 1 to 10, 10 be the high score. Rate the beach. I'll show you Mama Laura. Voila. Rate this beach, guys. That's Libby right there. Mama Laura right there. My son, the way out there, son. That's my son right here.
I feel dizzy. A long time I don't feel some body of water, so.
You
Me I
feel?
get cold.
No, you're not getting old.
No,
It's
me
just the
feel dizzy.
waves, and everything.
Mommy and I have fun.
Me feel dizzy, like me can't face the water.
You can't face the water. So guys, Mama Laura want to come a beach, but he can't face the water.
Go get a
Come.
chair.
Then me
Want
not
a chair,
come, man. Me
Mama?
Come.
feel dizzy. Mind me
Like
drop
calling
down
me
for it. Me
grandma.
don't feel fit to
You
eat.
hear that?
Come now. Wet up your foot,
Like
mommy.
calling Miss Lord grandma. She want a chair, grandma.
Eh?
I say you want a chair, grandma, because she want to fall.
No, when me turn up, they say don't like me, I go so too, you know.
But you know what happened, Miss Lord? The water belong up here. When we was over here, the water was up here. Now it receded. So I don't know if maybe that's why.
What is this people? No linseed. Fi boil with the Irish marsh. Yes. Tell me people if linseed
I
is.
see we that man.
Linseed. Seaweed.
I don't know. Comment down below, people, if you don't know what it is. Somebody will get it right. One Mama Laura. Go on now, water.
Just go stand in
What
the
happened?
and pray and ask God for everything you want. Because you know the ocean powerful.
I don't want you act like say you're not going in the water, you know.
Just talking to God.
You have to go in the water more.
I already did. I went in and talked to him, but I just grounded myself.
Who is this lady right here? Mommy, I want to go on.
Mama Lord can't swim, guys. And you know what Mama Lord get on the app. I wouldn't want to see Mama Lord again. That's true.
Guys, so look here. Look at mommy there. Right? And look at water there. So my son, seriously, I'm bad. Mommy, you need to go on up some crosses there for you, you know, so watch it out. Crosses.
The cross is not the pump. Don't say that. You want that sweet guy? Let's see what that was doing. Let me come away. Come in the people. Come here. Mama Lord boss.
Son, the speed same brave, look there. Look inside.
So they could see how far he is.
This is America Beach, guys. Well, one of them. Bobby, don't go far. Mama Lord, nah, move. Look there.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys.
Guys, the water look really dark in the video, but I promise you it's not as dark.
Mommy, find it. I'm gonna bet on the money from now. Olivia versus Mama Lor. I go race. Okay, my money there for Olivia while God. With Papi. Who your money there on? Who is gonna win? Who? I wouldn't be surprised if Mama Lor win though. Guys, before the race starts, I want to know better money. So it's Olivia versus my son versus Mama Lor. On your mark! Get set! Go! Oh God, I want to win. Olivia, Olivia come dead last. Mommy almost run left the Marion.
Almost win.
Guys, Mama Lor almost win the Marion. Olivia come dead last. Guys, comment down below, you know. I don't know if she ain't gonna comment, you know.
Should we do a rematch?
No.
No, it's too tired.
Okay, guys, we'll watch the replay. Hold on. My mother and my son, I got race right now. So stay tuned. On your mark, get set, go! Oh God, mommy I go run left the Marion. See them, mommy I go run left the Marion. Oh God, Mama Lor muscle up, you know.
In the name of the Father and the Son of the Holy Ghost, make this quickness go, Jesus. It needs to go. It needs to go. In the name of the Father. Yes, God, I'm rubbing it, make it come out of this youth neck. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. And if you don't, this neck can turn white. Come on.
Rate the mango, yeah. 10 DIs. 0 Delways.
What you rate it? 1 to 10. Be honest. 7. It's sweet? Or it's semi-sweet?
Sweet, but yeah, but like
Tart?
that's a little bit of sour.
Okay.
Okay, babes, I want you to rate the beach.
That was a 10 out of 10.
I still a move go back to Jamaica. I'm done with you. Mama Lor, rate the beach.
9.5. 5.5, me not go no further than one little part. So 9.5 for me.
Rate the beach.
8.
8?
Actually, no, 7.5.
7.5. Cause it's not Jamaica, right? Outside. And for me, I'm going home, not like Jamaica. And if you don't agree with me, comment down below. I go to my yard.